In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Notion so that every new order automatically creates a database item in your Notion workspace. To get started, open your integration platform in Chrome. This can be Zapier, Make, or Pabbly Connect, depending on which tool you prefer to use. The overall setup is very similar across all three, so the key idea here is simply to have the automation builder open and ready. Once you're inside the platform, begin a new automation or workflow so you can define the trigger and the action clearly from the start. Next, set Shopify as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Order. This tells the automation platform to watch your Shopify store and react whenever a new order comes in. In other words, Shopify becomes the starting point for the workflow. If your platform asks you to confirm or test the trigger, that's helpful because it lets you pull in a sample order and makes the next step much easier to configure accurately. After that, choose Notion as your action app. For the action event, select Create Database Item. This means that each time Shopify detects a new order, the automation will send that order information into a selected Notion database as a new entry. This is a great way to keep order records organized in a workspace you can customize, filter, and review with your team. Now move on to mapping your data fields. This is the part where you connect the information coming from Shopify to the correct columns in your Notion table. For example, you might map the customer name from Shopify into a name column in Notion and the total order cost into a total cost column. The goal is to make sure each piece of store data lands in the right place, so your Notion database stays clean, readable, and useful. Take a moment here to check column types in Notion as well, since matching the format properly can help avoid errors and keep your entries consistent. Once your fields are mapped, activate the bridge or turn on the automation. At that point, the connection is live. From then on, every new Shopify order will automatically generate a new database item in Notion without you having to enter the details manually. This can save time, reduce copy and paste mistakes, and give you a simple way to track orders in a centralized system. That's the full setup. With just these connections in place, you'll have a smooth workflow between Shopify and Notion running in the background for you.